What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Now for this unboxing video, we have one of our Vicrez in Performance rear diffusers. This one is in gloss black and the VZ is 105773 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now this is for the BMW F32 to F36 for fitment and fitting years 2014 to 2020. Now let's go ahead and open this and show you what it looks like. Now as you can see, it's super glossy. And of course you have your vents here on the side. And then on the bottom here, you have pre-drilled holes for install, so you can bolt it in place or rivet it in. And then on the top edge, on the back here, you can see tabs where it will snap into your rear bumper. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more rear diffusers like this one or some more of our other products, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure to hit that like button as well as that notification bell if you want to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.